Hello guys, and I am really back from some stuff eventually. So episode 8 will be coming out soon enough on this September. I really don't know which September eventually, but hopefully I know what September that I'm going to do. But I think I need to know if I have free time to be upload or slow motion because eventually this week is last week again is really a busy week because eventually I don't feel hard. But hopefully you already understand this. But eventually will be a lot of busy. But eventually I almost finished the script for episode 8, and I see it's more interesting, and it'll be very different from the other episodes, and maybe it's the longest. I really don't know, but I think we're gonna find out soon enough. So please turn on your notifications and subscribe, and hopefully you love it. And thanks so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace.